Is your Google Play Store crashing, freezing, or just refusing to open? Here are the fixes that actually work. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your Google Play Store not working on your Android phone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, we can try to exit the app completely and restarting it. To do so, press on the three vertical lines icon on the bottom of your phone and swipe up on the app. Then try re-entering your Play Store and see if it works. If it doesn't work, go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll down and tap on Google Play Services. Scroll down and tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Data and tap on Delete. Then go back to your apps list and tap on Google Play Store. Scroll down and tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Data and tap on Delete. Then try to enter your Play Store again and see if it works. If it still does not work, you can try force restarting your phone. Press and hold the volume down and power button on the right side of your phone and wait until the screen goes off. Wait for your phone and Android logo to turn on, then enter your phone password and go to your Play Store again to see if it works. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.